Hi, I'm Miss Cern. Let's get started. In this video, we're going to talk about how to find an infinite limit of a rational expression that includes the square root the fast way. This is a shortcut, but it works consistently. What you do is you use the idea that the highest power, when you're talking about a limit that goes toward infinity or negative infinity, the highest power terms dominate in a polynomial or rational expression. So in this case, I know that the limit as w goes to infinity of this pretty nasty looking rational expression with a square root is going to be the same limit as a different function, the one that just has the highest power from the top, the term for the highest power in the top, and the term for the highest power in the bottom. So again, these are not the same function, but as w gets extremely large, these other terms get to be insignificant compared to the size of the w squared and the w to the fourth. So we can just look at those two terms. Now we do need to simplify here. So we're going to say this is the limit as w goes to infinity of 30w squared over, now the square root of 36 is 6, square root of w to the fourth, being as w is a positive number, and anyway, if you raise it to the fourth, it's going to turn positive. We would have w squared, and then this can reduce, so we have the limit as w goes to infinity of 30 over 6, or just 5. The limit of a constant is the constant, and 30 over 6 is 5, so we're done. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please remember to give it a like. Every thumbs up you give it helps other students to find the video.